instruments, and I work for a company called Oshguard Video. They make the cameras that cops wear
Oh, really?
and use in their cars.
357-516-458-1, and then 467.
He wants to know what you do.
So I did business development for a defense company for about 35 years, or 38 years. I retired. I'm on the board of directors of a couple of companies here in North Texas.
Oh, okay. And the last one?
Yes, I'm a marketing consultant.
Oh.
I do digital marketing, direct marketing, and I help companies with how to promote their products and services.
Oh, all right, all right. Thank you very much.
And your company, your school
what's your school?
was?
So our school's name is UETM.
Yeah.
And during the presentation will be known as Ultimate, which is the company that we present as a school. So it can be UETM and Ultimate.
They know it as UET.
Yeah. All right, well, give me this.
I like your orange tie, son.
Thank you very much.
Great, thank you very much.
All right, so
Yeah.
is everyone ready?
Give me just a second.
Can you mention this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Fausto Sotelo. I'm the head of presentation here at Ultimate.
My name is Genesis Vasquez, and I'm head of community outreach here at Ultimate.
I am Javier Villarreal, and I am Ultimate's media specialist.
What? Wait a minute, what are you?
Media specialist.
Okay.
I am Santiago Cruz, and I am the research and design.
Juan Esparza, in charge of manufacturing.
Andrew Rao, marketing.
Nicole Munson, finances.
My name is Nina Vaya. I'm head of human resources, and I'll be talking to you about our company's demographics.
Okay.
Where are you located?
Laredo, Texas.
Okay.
All right. So our department's demographics.
Hold on just a second. So, you're ready?
Yeah.
Ready? You need
I'm just gonna be teaching this.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of a funky setup, so be careful of the cord.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, if you walk around. And we couldn't get the projector straight, it's not your fault.
Oh, yeah.
But we'll take off points anyway.
So have you guys been judges for the past years?
Yeah, a couple of times.
I've been doing it for quite a while. I've been volunteering with BEST for 25 years.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, our coach has been doing it for
17.
17 years.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Not many teachers last that long.
Yeah.
What time is it?
2 o'clock.
Okay, we gotta get started.
Let's go ahead and start. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right. So beginning with our company's demographics, our company is comprised of 60 experienced employees. 12 working in design, 8 working in presentation, 4 in media, 4 in programming, 20 in construction, and 15 in display. We have a 7 to 13 female to male ratio. Okay, so our company is comprised of 5 freshmen, 10 sophomores, 20 juniors, and 25 seniors. And though we have a small amount of incoming students, we take them into account into like everything that we do in our company because we know that they're the future leaders of this company. We are 5% Asian, 8.3% Caucasian, and 86.7% Hispanic. And though we're not ethnically diverse, we are diverse when it comes to skill, like we showed you in our previous slide. And we take advantage of our predominant Hispanic, or of our Hispanic predominance, because Hispanics are known to work together and to cooperate when it comes to big projects like this.
A quick overview of our budget. We started this fiscal year with $9,918. From there, we gained a total of $19,843. Now, with any good company, there will be a few expenses. The expenses we had averaged out to $8,548. From that, we ended with a net income of $11,213.
Oh, although this is the budget overview, it's very simple, but we do have an appendix that goes more into depth of all the numbers in case any of you guys want to review it.
No, you have a mistake there on that slide.
8,000 as expenses, and the total net income is 11,213.
She said your expenses were
8,000.
8,000.
Yeah, it's 18,000 for sure. We have the account.
It's 18,000. As our former CFO, Roberto Ponce, current Harvard graduate of 2022, once said, "My time best with Ultimate Robotics has opened the doors to a plethora of new career opportunities in science, technology, engineering, and computer science. Hashtag thanks to Best Robotics." Personally, my time with Best Robotics has really helped me improve my Illustrator skills, my marketing development, and my engraving skills. As you can see with us today, how we have our name tags, I helped design those and help finish a nice finished result that is quite
Pleasing to the eye.
pleasing to the eye and pleasing to see it come out well.
One thing we like to exemplify here at Ultimate is the experience we have in BEST. And these are some of our last year's robot, including the Debugger, Miner 49er, the Windy, the Reaper, and last year's robot, Don Fuego. And of these 5, 3 of them have won at state best, proving the experience we have in Best Robotics and the experience we have in winning. Now to introduce this year's robot, Ipasa. Now, if you're wondering what that means to us, and well, what that means to you, Ipasa. Ipasa, translated to English is pass. And as you pass through the currents of the Indian, Pacific, Arctic, Southern, and Atlantic, we guarantee with 100% we will clean all waste and debris within all these currents. It's built up of a scooper, as seen here, a wrist, down here, elbow, back here, I'm sorry you can't really see it, but shoulder, wheels, drivetrain, dug dropper, and a reef claw.
Here at Ultimate, our brand promise is to provide a diverse team to help engineer the best robots possible to make the tasks easier at hand. And we're always on top of this. This has been our brand promise for the past 17 years that we've been working.
I like to concise our tangible benefits into 5 main categories. Functionality, speed, cost efficiency, reliability, and material use. And when you break down our robot into 5 major components, each of these components apply to all of the tangible benefits listed here. Meaning, we as a company can provide 100% of the tangible benefits you would want.
So many people and investors ask us why Ultimate in comparison to other companies that are making these products for the event and the challenge. So we have 3 factors that differentiate us from the competitors. For one, we have 17 years of proven dedication. For 17 years, Ultimate Robotics has been to best and has been developing new products to solve the challenge of the year. We also have an outstanding achievement from each one of those products. No matter the challenge, every year we also get guaranteed that the job will be done and it will be done as efficiently as possible.
And here at Ultimate, we take consumer satisfaction very seriously. We always want to be on top of things with the consumers and helping them achieve what they want with our product. We're always modifying it, and based on the past successful years that we have gotten, the consumers are very happy with the result of our product that we provide to them. And here at Ultimate, we have the manufacturing process that we've established since the beginning, which includes research and define, design and manufacture, test and evaluate, and refinements. Going into these in more detail, first we identify the problem. Our group of engineers get together in a room and they identify the problem at hand. They see what we can achieve and how we can achieve it. Next, we brainstorm solutions where we design stuff on just paper or whiteboard, just rough sketches. From there, we explore the options. We develop those sketches into parts. And as you can see here and in the example above, at first we had wooden gears that were used for the elbow here, but then we decided to use polypropylene for these because they would reduce the strain that the gears had and they would be more efficient, and the consumer was very happy with that. Next, we build the model. All the parts that we have, all the best options that we have explored, we put them together and we make the product that the consumer would like. and it's always to their liking. They always choose what goes and what stays, and we always appeal to them.
Now, how exactly is our company different? I'm pretty sure you all have heard many pitches today, but I will here say 2 reasons why you should go with our company instead of all the other pitches that you have heard today. First is that we employ state-of-the-art technology such as plasma cutters, CNC router mills, and 3D printers. Now, why would you want, how does that factor into you all? Well, when we manufacture, those products that we use are only off by about 10 micrometers at most, giving you all the precision and accuracy that you all require. So, next, we have a wide diversity of range of employees, all coming from different backgrounds, that we all have different ideas going in and out, and that creates a wide variety of products. Now, these ideals have worked well for us. For the past 17 years of our company's existence, we have experienced nothing but success.
Okay, now going into our marketing strategy, Ultimate markets differently from our competitors, and we market more efficiently. We incorporate an Instagram, a website, a Twitter, and a Snapchat. From these, we get feedback from our customers and our buyers, what they need and what they want.
So Ultimate really puts an emphasis on community outreach. We believe if you invest in your community will invest in you, whether that be financial support or moral support. So we value it because it gives us an opportunity to actually give back to our community. We also like it because we are able to promote BEST and promote our legacy that we've established for over 17 years. We also like to promote careers in STEM and within our own company. And we'd like to establish new connections and attract new members, including prolific members of the community like the mayor. So our community outreach strategy to promote STEM and BEST Robotics was to target 4 main audience groups, which were elementary school students, middle school students, high school students, and adults.
Now, perhaps one of our greatest community outreach methods and social media features is our website. Our website allows our consumers to contact us and for us to contact them if they ever need help. Now, as for our website, we use 4 templates and overlays to create it. We start with HTML, which displays data and info, then work our way to CSS and PHP to actually make the website and make it available to our consumers. Then we overlay it with WordPress over here, which overlays a professional template, which adds a level of professionalism, especially to our consumers looking for a competitive company.
Okay, now going into how BEST Robotics impacted the community and us as a team. Here we see Galilea Gutierrez. Thanks to BEST Robotics, she came out of her shell. Robert Whitman. Thanks to BEST Robotics, he made a difference in his community. Gunter Lopez. Thanks to BEST Robotics, he wants to become an engineer. And just take in mind, these 3 individuals do not account for the vast majority of people who have realizations of what they want to be, or maybe take into account a career in engineering. Now going on to the right-hand side, we see 260 individuals who view Ultimate's Instagram. From this, we get feedback and what they need. Now take into account, these 260 individuals, not all of them live in our community. So what we're doing as a team is we're pushing BEST Robotics and our product out of our community. Now going a little deeper into our community outreach, Ultimate likes to get to know our community. So we started off with our elementary students at San Isidro. What we did is Ultimate showed off one of its other products to these elementary students. We showed them the fundamentals of robotics, how to be a good team member, and how to contribute. Now going on to the right-hand side, Ultimate went to United High School and opened up a workshop from August to September. What we did here is that we taught robotics at a professional level to these students and maybe considering joining Ultimate. Now, with our community outreach, Ultimate also went to the local career fair. From here, we hit our desired target groups of kids, middle schoolers, high schoolers, and adults. And with this, we just show how Ultimate is making a difference in our community. Now, over there, we see Ultimate at the Risk Earth Day event. What we did is Ultimate volunteered at this event and helped out just as an active member of the community. We got to meet all target groups, and we even got to take a picture with our mayor, Pete Science of Laredo, Texas. Now, Ultimate also went to 2 other elementary schools, Malakoff and St. Augustine. One is private and one is public. With Malakoff, we went one day to show what BEST is and how they can or how they can contribute when they're coming into United. Now going into St. Aug, what we did was every Monday from January to June of 2018, we showed them and taught them robotics for a couple hours or so.
So in all, our community outreach strategy has proven to be quite effective. We were able to reach 152 middle school students, 234 elementary school students, 87 adults, and 198 high school students. So in total, we were able to reach 671 people, and that proved to be really effective. So these are just physical people that we were able to outreach to, and we calculated these numbers through sign-in sheets and through when we went to elementary school students to see elementary school students, the teachers would give us the rosters of the names of the children who would be there. But this isn't accounting for the social media outreach that we've been able to do. So we've been able to outreach to people outside of our community. So this is just physically. This is not accounting for our website or social media.
It's a rough approximate of physical interaction.
Yeah.
So now that you have seen all the aspects of the entire company, I have a proposal for you investors. One is 15% of company equity, 13% of board seat, 100% customer care, and a 100% lifetime warranty. If you guys have any needs, clarity, or further insights, now would be a good time.
No, I think just continue with the presentation.
All right, so now that you guys have, do you guys accept the proposal of the company?
I think we'd still like to hear more about your robot, more about your company itself, the pricing strategy, those sorts of things.
All right, so for one, we have a product here that is very affordable. Although, put this into consideration that these are products that are cleaning the ocean, there are many expenses that are done to create these types of robots. We have brought it down to the price of $20,100 to sell it to consumers and maybe you guys as the investors that want to help out in the challenge of current events. We have, again, state-of-the-art components. If you guys look into this robot, we can see that each part was designed on CAD softwares and made to perfection for the competition. Do you guys have any questions of programming, website development?
What'd you use?
Oh, okay, so the main one was Fusion 360. So Fusion 360 is really great because not only can you design all the parts in this robot, you can also download the best motors and integrate them into the actual design. So what we also do is from Fusion 360, we download them as files of sketches and we send them into Illustrator, which is able to cut them out on CNC machines and on laser engravers.
So we only give you about 2 more minutes of our time. Can you summarize your key points or what message you'd like to leave us?
Well, we have here some contracts for your investment to put it as official as possible. But before, let me explain Best and Ultimate's motive for these types of products. So every year we want to solve these types of challenges and we want to solve them as best as possible. And not only that, but we're looking for investors that are willing to go the extra mile for not only us, but for the challenge itself. We do not want investors that are not willing to help out in the community or outreach to events that are important for the help of the challenge.
Our underlining ideal here is to find problems to your solutions. And every year we're given a problem, right? And we brainstorm, we come together, all our members, all this company every year provides an excellent solution to your problems for your solutions.
So now, without any other further needs, do you guys have any?
Well, can you, have you tested the robot? What's
Yes.
the results? What kind of reliability does it have? How many people does it take to operate it?
So it takes one person to operate and other researchers and engineers to help out gather the objects into crates, or as we call them, reefs. We want to make sure.
Oh, well, right now, the average driver here at Ultimate averages a score of 860 points, and calculated, that's very efficient based on the average. We have high peaks of 100, 250, and some low ones at 600, but overall, we produce a very high amount of output with this robot.
So it can do all the basic needs inside the field, and we're very proud of that it can solve all the issues inside the competition. So if you guys, the investors here in the contract, would have to make a proposal to us if you were willing to invest, we have percentages for profit and for the investment, and then finally a signature for the judges. Although this isn't the most official thing, it's just the next step to the process.
I don't have any questions.
I don't have any other questions. Do you have any?
I have one that doesn't have to do with your presentation.
Oh.
What did your robot do?
Oh,
We won first place at SA.
Did you?
Yeah, we won 3 trophies. It was very amazing.
Oh, you got best award.
Yeah,
Second place best.
yeah, and also programming award. So.
Oh, congratulations.
Do you guys have a logo?
Oh,
Yes,
yes,
that was the first one.
in the very first step. That's the ultimate logo. It's a very strong Longhorn. Oh, and I just want to show you a little video of Ultimate's headquarters.
Is that a drawing or is that your school?
That's our school.
It is?
Yes.
We use drone technology to
Neat.
Very good, very good. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
job, guys.
Good job, thank you.
Thank you
Oh,
so
yeah,
much.
watch the wires.
Yeah, thank you so much, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your
Thank you.
time.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
I still think you had the wrong number on that first.
Thank you.
Huh?
I'm sorry, I was a bit nervous.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
No, you said the right number. The number on the slide was wrong.
Oh no, she said the wrong number. The number on the slide was right.